Yeah, it's so easy to make money with NFT, yet most people don't know how to do it. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to flip NFT art for profit. So, yeah, making millions buying or flipping NFT is easy if you know how to do that. Maybe you have asked yourself of how or what is NFTs actually all about. So here in this video, so we'll be discussing about how you can buy and sell NFT art and make profit with it. Normal people become millionaires every day. People making millions from NFT are not Wall Street bankers. So successful people in buying and selling NFT are regular people just like you and me. They just learned how to do it the right way and they took action. The first time in human history anyone can make millions from a simple computer or a smartphone connected to an internet. Yes, you can start making up to $1,000 per day buying and selling of NFT. So in this video, I'll be showing you different platforms where you can buy and sell NFT art and make profit with them. To be able to generate revenue with NFTs, you will need to understand the following steps, which are: what is an NFT and how it works, what NFT have real value and are here to last, how to avoid being scammed, how to choose the right projects that will definitely make times 10 more profit than the exact amount you buy that particular art, which key indicator to look at when investing in the project, how to create your own NFT connection. So in this video, these are the things we need to take a look at, and also the platform whereby you will have to use to trade your NFT, where and the kind of NFT art you should buy to make more profit. I will be showing you some examples of NFT flipping that happen every day, and some examples as well that are the kind of NFT that have been traded so far on OpenSea and have generated a lot of profit. So right now, the NFT you are seeing on the screen right now is called CryptoPunk. So it was sold around $220 and when it was created, and now it's worth more than $6 million, as you can see on the screen right now. So it's not a bad, for example, image that looks straight out of 90s video games, right? So here you can also see some other NFT that have been traded so far, and they are really doing well on the platform. While you are watching this video, there are some under 20s that are buying NFT worth $400 and they are actually making tons of dollars equivalent to the exact amount they are buying it. So I'll be showing you some examples of those NFTs that they invest in and really do times 10 of it. These are the top 3 websites where you can actually flip, buy and sell your NFT art. The first platform is OpenSea.io. Second platform is SoulSea.io, and the third website is digitaleye.market. So as you can also see here, there are tons of NFT art that are available on each of these platforms. As you can see here, this is SOL NFT players. So this is related to gaming NFT, and there are some other NFT as well. As you can see, just take a look at this NFT art. Same thing goes to this, and these are the trending NFT collection on this platform. As you can see, this is Solarians, this is Crypto Idol Boats, Billionaire Way Club, and there are tons of NFT art on this platform. So, and most of them are definitely available for sale, and you might also be one of those people that actually listed their NFT art available for flipping on this particular website. So let's check on source as well later. So as you can see here too, so upcoming collection. So as you can see here, these are definitely different from what we saw on digital art. So these are probably advanced NFT arts. So as you can see, this is cyber whale, soul kitties, uh lunaroid, bot live, and creature something. So these are also great NFT which you can actually invest in, and these are verified collections. As you can see here, it was verified from the website. So these are what people are actually buying these NFTs. As you can see here, there are tons of NFTs, and also you can come to the platform, create your account here, create your NFT account, and then come here to list your NFT art. So same thing goes to OpenSea as well. So just create your profile and list your NFT art on the platform and wait. Or even though if you have some idea on how you can actually promote your NFT art to make sales as soon as possible. And on this OpenSea, you can see different categories. This is for art, this is collectibles, this is domain name. If you are actually interested in buying a domain name for your NFT. So this is for music, this is for photography, sports, trending cards, utility, and virtual worlds. So there are tons of categories in which you can actually look at if you are still thinking of which kind of NFT you should go into. So you'll be able to see the trending one and be able to decide which one you can proceed on buying or trading or flipping for making more profit on the platform. So this is all I have for you in this video. If you have any question, kindly drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.